Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I will be teaching you about how to create the slab as well as how to create the construction objects. For after going to the edit, you can see here the construction objects. So how to create all these construction objects as well as how to create the slabs. So before that, first let me create rectangular grids, place it here. After pressing the rectangular grids, as you can see here, the rectangular grids I have created here. Now left click on it, and after left clicking on it, now go to the view option, and after going to the view option, work plane as to the selected model. Then after that, what you need to do is you need to go to the edit option. After going to the edit option, go to the construction objects. Here select first one, line can be constructed from one point to the other point. As you can see here, now I have constructed the line. This is what the line is being constructed. So I can even change its color to red color. So this is what the construction line looks like. Suppose you double click in the line. After double clicking in the line, your extension is given here. Suppose you provide the extension as the 0. Now the length beyond that point, the extension will be removed, and it will be simply created from the A point to the B point. So see, now the extended part is removed. Now the line has been created from the A point to the B point. So as I have removed the extension, similarly I can create the solid line by modifying it. This is the solid line I have created. So these construction objects are required. Where it is required, I'll tell you afterwards during the time of creating the projects. But before that, you must learn all the things step by step, such as I have told you the construction. First one is the line, then second one is the plane. Suppose I'll need to create a plane. For that, from here, then here, and here, after that here. So this is what the construction plan is created. I can even show you the thickness of that construction plan. You can simply double click in this construction plan. After that, the plane which is present here. So this one is the construction plan. Its length is 6040. I can also even increase or decrease its length. Okay. So as you can see here, each dimension is provided here, 6400, then 3040 is the dimension on this side. So this is what the construction plane looks like. Now let me go to the circle. For creating the circle, suppose I will click this one as the center, and I can provide the radius of suppose 2000 mm radius. So this one is the circle created. In the similar way, I can create another circle of suppose 1200 mm radius. This is how the circle can be created. After that, I can create the arcs. Suppose this one is the arc I need to create. So this one is the arc which I have created. So in this manner we can create the arcs. Similarly, we can create the polycurve. Suppose this one is the polycurve. So this is what the polycurves looks like. After that, right click and interrupt. So this one is the polycurve. Then after that, copy with offset. So here the offset distance is present here. Suppose the offset distance is 1000. Then click in this circle and offset it either inside or outside. Outside offset it or inside offset it. Or suppose I will offset this one. I'll click this one. I will offset a circle outside. Okay. Suppose I will write here as 500, and I will offset this one inside. So as you can see here, inside. So this is how you can even create offset. So hope it's clear to all of you about the construction objects, that is how to create all these construction objects, and these construction objects are very important during the time of the creation of the projects. That is, in my last like lecture, I will be telling you in details like how to create a full RCC building in Tekla structures along with the reinforcement detailing, bar bending schedule, then material takeoff, everything I will show you in details. But till that, you need to stay tuned to my channel. After that, I will be telling you today, like again, let me create another one grid. Go to the edit, create another grid. Suppose I will create here another grid, and let me create here. Click it here and go to the view, go to the work plane and select. After that, click it here, go to the work plane and to the selected plane. Okay. After that, let me create here the go to the concrete and select in the slab. Suppose I will be creating the slab. Select the 4 points where I need to create the slab. This one is the slab. Expand it. The slab is created. Remember that this one is not as you can see in the construction that as I have shown in the construction objects, the plane is present here, but this one is not a plane, because in plane there will be no thickness, but here the thickness is present, as you can see here. Even I will double click it. After double clicking it, the thickness is present here. So you can change the thickness to suppose 1200. See the thickness here. Suppose you can change the thickness to the 200, and you can even do the changes from this properties tab. You can change the color class. Suppose this one is the class. I have changed, modified it. So this is what the slab is. In this manner, we can do the changes to the slab. Suppose I want to change the corners of the slab, and for that what you need to do is you need to click it here. After clicking it here, simply double click in this pink color icon. Then you can change this rounding. Suppose I will provide the rounding of radius 200 and modify it. So this is how we can provide the rounding in the edges. Or suppose I will provide the rounding of 500, modify it. So this is how we can provide the rounding. Similarly, we can do click in this pink color. Similarly, click it here. After clicking it here, you need to click this. After clicking it here, click in this. After clicking, you can again do some different kind of, like suppose I will provide here the line at a distance of x 200 at a distance. This one I will do filleting, because chamfer means rounding, filleting means to cut in a distance and distance, that is in a perpendicular manner. This one is known as fillet. So this one is known as fillet. So this one is actually known as the chamfer, whereas this one is known as fillet. So this is how we can do the changes in the slab also. So hope it's clear to all of you that how to do the changes in the slab as well. Even you can double click in the slab. After double clicking in the slab, you can change its position, whether it is behind or it is at the middle. If I will provide at the middle, it will go to the middle of the, like this one is the center line. This grid line will be at the center. Middle means. Similarly, in this manner, we can do various kind of changes. We can even change the material. So hope it's clear to all of you that how to create the changes. And if there is any kind of doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. So thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Take care.